Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add heading in Odoo website. This is a really useful skill because headings play a big role in structuring your website content, improving readability, and also helping visitors quickly understand what your page is about. A well-designed heading can also improve user experience and make your site look more professional overall. We'll begin from the home page in Odoo. From here, the first thing you need to do is open the website section. This takes you into the part of Odoo where you can manage and customize the look of your site. If you're working on your website layouts, this is where all the visual editing tools are available. This area is basically your control center for everything related to design, pages, and structure. So getting comfortable here will make future edits much easier. Once you're inside the website area, click Edit. This switches the page into editing mode, so you can make design changes directly on the page. Odoo's editor is very visual, which makes it easier to update content and layouts without needing to work with code. This is especially helpful for beginners, because you can see changes in real time as you build or adjust your page. After entering edit mode, click on the header area. This is important because selecting the header opens the customization options related to that part of the page. If you're trying to adjust how the top section of your site looks and behaves, this is the section you want to work with. The header is usually the first thing visitors see, so small improvements here can make a strong first impression. When the header is selected, you'll see several settings that you can edit. These include the template, background, content with scroll effect, show disclaimer, header position, accent color, font format, border, round corners, and shadow. These options let you control both the structure and the style of the header. For example, you can change the visual appearance with color, fonts, or shadow, and you can also adjust layout-related settings like content width or header position. If you want your heading area to better match your website branding, these are the controls you'll use. These settings are especially useful when you're trying to match your header with your brand identity or create a more modern, clean layout. You can also move to the navigation settings. In this section, you're able to edit the desktop menu, mobile menu, and link style. This helps make sure your website navigation looks clean and works well across different devices. It's a good idea to check both desktop and mobile menu settings, so your heading and navigation feel consistent for all visitors. A smooth navigation setup also helps users find important pages faster, which improves overall engagement on your site. Next, look at the Show or Hide Elements section. Here you can manage visuals actions, show empty, and background. These settings are useful when you want to simplify the header area or reveal extra design elements depending on the style you're going for. Small visibility changes here can make a big difference in how polished the top of your website appears. For example, hiding unnecessary elements can create a cleaner, more focused header that keeps attention on your main message or call to action. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save. This applies your updates and ensures your header edits are kept on the site. Before leaving the editor, it's always a good idea to quickly review the page and make sure everything looks the way you want. Previewing helps you catch small alignment or spacing issues before they go live, so your final result looks more professional. And that's how to add and customize a heading in Odoo website.